What is up, guys? This one's gonna be short and sweet, adding a little bit of style to my Z4M. Now, there's a very popular aftermarket lip option for these cars. It's called the M-Stash lip. This one, while it's not an original M-Stash, came out of a company in Germany called Schmiedman. I went with this option because it's the only one that I can find that was wrapped in carbon. And as we all know, that carbon fiber scores you extra ricer points, so I went with it. It was $340 shipped from Germany. I had it in about a week, which is quite impressive. The lip itself is just chintzy fiberglass like they all are, so if you smack this once on a curb, it's probably going to shatter into a million pieces. One of the things that did happen with this lip when I received it is that the fiberglass was cracking here on the inside, and you were able to see through to the outside. I took some epoxy and juiced up that area just to kind of reinforce it. The only other issue with this is it doesn't come with any mounting hardware or double-sided tape, so I have some 3M double-sided tape, and my plan of action is, because there are no mounting holes anywhere, so you really have to kind of figure it out on your own where you're going to mount it. Below the teeth on each side, there is an 8mm bolt, 8mm bolt, 8mm bolt, 8mm bolt. So what I've done is I've taken them out. I'm going to tape the lip temporarily in place. You can get behind the fender liners without even having to jack the car up. Just pop the rivets off right here. Using a silver Sharpie, I'm going to mark the holes, drill this lip, and then I will use, aside from having the two bolts hold each side of the lip up, I'm going to use double-sided tape on the inside here and then all the way flush along this right here. So let's begin, shall we? I don't know which one's better. All right, guys, so that's it. Wasn't too bad. My plan worked as expected. Having it bolted in allowed me to kind of line it up and get the tape started. And then once everything was in place, just pushed up on it a little bit, tightened the bolts back, and there it is. It's installed. I like this lip. It's not like, I don't think it's amazing, but it's definitely a little bit better than not having anything there. It just kind of fills in this gap in the center of the bumper where the teeth are. It always looked a little bit weird for me, so I kind of like how it just makes that a little bit more proportionally complete. I like the carbon. I think it adds a nice little touch of elegance, and because of the way this attaches, and using the factory mounting holes and the double-sided tape, it's a completely reversible mod. So if these ever shoot the fuck up in collector value, I can easily just pull it off, and no harm, no foul, right? So that's that, and we'll have to see what the next project is in store for this car. Till next time, done.